Right, so for the 2 point perspective now, it is exactly as the words implies that you'll have the horizon line. And remember, the horizon line is the line off in the distance where the land or the sea and the sky appear to meet. So I draw my horizon line. And instead of 1 point, I'm going to put 2 points. And the 2 point perspective is very, very specific for when you're drawing a building on a corner. And you'll see how that works just now. So I have two vanishing points. One here, one here. I'm going to label as 1 and label as 2. And it's very important that when the lines intersect, you draw a line straight up and down, completely vertical. And that will form the side of the building. Now this looks like a kite, but keep in mind I'm going to erase most of these lines afterwards. Okay, so this line here is very important because this line here is completely vertical and represents the part of the building. So on one side you'll see the front, on another part you'll see the side. So I'm just going to draw a simple house. I'm going to be erasing along the way so that you're going to see these lines, what they represent much better. I'm going to draw 2 lines here to represent my guidelines for the window of the house on one side. It's a big window here. Just start erasing this other part here. So I'm going to put window and a door. So I use this line on this side, as you could see. I'm going to take my pencil and draw heavier. After I've erased some of these guidelines, so here's my house in 2-point perspective. So you can see that it's getting smaller towards the vanishing point, both on the left-hand side and getting smaller towards the vanishing point on the right-hand side. And you're seeing the front of the house and the side of the house at the same time. So that, people, is 2-point perspective. I do hope that you could try this. And for your assignments, I'll at least ask you to try do an object or one thing in either 1-point or 2-point perspective. All right, thank you very much, people. And I'll put up additional videos to clarify the issue of drawing in perspective. Okay, so if you have any other questions, please be sure to leave the comments in the classroom stream so that we can address them. All right, thank you very much, people.